I've been right on so many things. Like in 2016, I said gold was the play. Everyone laughed at me. Gold is almost $2,000 an ounce. 2016 was only $1,100. I've been right on saying that we're going to have civil unrest in America. And with the last president's exit, we saw that. I've been right that saying that we're going to have a war happening, and we already have a war happening right now, that we're going to escalate it to maybe a possibility World War III with the green light of NATO's flying airplanes to out of their territories to kill Russians. Okay, I've been right when I said that the stock market is going to crash 40 to 60%. And if you go on there, you can look at PayPal. You can look at so many of these Fortune 500 companies that have already lost 40 to 60%. I've already done a video showing you some companies even lost 70% in this crash. And the crash or the party is just starting out. I've been right on Bitcoin. The last crash that we had in 2007, 2008, I said that Bitcoin was the play for me, and I was going to get into it when it had taken a loss of 50 to 80% off. Okay, everyone said I was crazy, but we saw that I got into Bitcoin at $3,500 to $10,000, okay, $11,000, and then Bitcoin passed its all-time high of $20,000, and it climbed up to almost $70,000, 69 and some change, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I mean, I've been right about the real estate crash. Now, some of you guys are going to say, well, Mike, the real estate didn't crash. Excuse me, we had 7.7 million Americans that defaulted on their mortgages and stopped paying. It was called the forbearance program, okay? If Big Brother didn't step in, we would have 7.7 million people losing their homes in foreclosure because they couldn't pay their mortgages when Big Brother forced them to close down, okay? So in a sense, we already have the real estate crash. It will stop. Okay, and if the bug 19 wasn't here, we would have had the real estate crash, a normal real estate crash, because everything's oversold. For example, in some states like Colorado, prices have doubled in less than 10 years. So you bought a house for $200, now it's worth $400 in 8 years, in 10 years. That is insane, ladies and gentlemen. In just 10 years, worth 400K. That's insane and crazy. Because real estate may appreciate 1 to 3% per year.